This video demonstrates the process of using an if statement to limit the data written into a CSV file to data associated with just one state. If or conditional commands are particularly useful when we need to subset data from a larger data set. For this part of the project, we're focusing on sales made to a single state. As such, we want to extract only the observations that are associated with the particular state. Before we can tell the bot to only write data when a certain condition is met, we first need to tell the bot what that condition is. In this demonstration, I'm going to use the state of main as the condition so that the bot will know to only perform the actions that follow the if statement when a sState variable is equal to main. Because we want this bot to run this statement for every row in our data table, we're going to go down and look for our loop, and then we're going to want to go to the end of our loop because we'd like all of our variables to have been cleaned up and defined before we start our if statement. So we're going to come down and we're going to click on the Analyze Close so that we can put our if command immediately after the Analyze Close command. To place the if command onto our workbench, go ahead and close out our logged file and then navigate up the Actions menu to the if statement, and then go ahead and double click on if to move the if command to our workbench. We're going to go ahead and configure the if command as follows. The first thing that we need to do is we need to tell the command what the condition is that we want met. So here we're going to click on the down arrow and we can see all of the conditions that we could apply, whether it be from a file condition, a folder condition, a list condition, a number condition, but in our case we want to use a string condition because our variable that we're conditioning on, sState, is a string variable. Go ahead and click once on that, and now we can see some more configuration options. Essentially, the bot needs to know where is the data coming from. So here, we're going to click on the X in the parens to insert our sState variable, since we've already defined that in the steps above. And then we're going to click on Yes, Insert. And then our operator it's going to be whenever the sState variable is equal to. So we can go ahead and leave the operator as a default, but if you want to see all the options, you could click and you could see that we have not equal to, includes, does not include. And then our target value, because again, I'm demonstrating this for the state of main, I'm going to go ahead and type in main here. We've already cleaned up the state variable so that it doesn't have the quotes on the outside, so we don't need to worry about putting quotes around the word main. When you go to do this for your state, you're going to want to change your target variable to match the state that you're looking for. Once we have that, we can go ahead and click Apply, and then we can click Save.